TD3 is really easy to install and operate. It's supposed to be installed outside of the spray booth, just hanging with 2 hooks on the side of the wall. You connect your compressor at least ½ inch of an air passage, air section, usually 6 bar or 100 psi for proper operation, and basically connecting your spray gun to the hose that comes with the TD unit. Why is the hose of the TD3 so important? We have a thermocouple, that's it right here, going through the entire hose, and we have a heated part, heated resistance that goes through the hose, and with the help of the heating element is going to deliver the proper temperature of application. We are looking around probably 40 Celsius for the base coat and 50 Celsius for the clear coat. This is very important for the quality of the paint and the quality of the results. To operate, you just need to switch it on, set the temperature that you would like to use. So just select it manually or with the help of the remote control, free preset, T1, T2 or dry for base clear and drying time during your work. Very easy to operate. It doesn't require any particular maintenance besides a normal filter change, usually supposed to be once every 9 to 12 months on the water oil, 6 months on the charcoal, and silica, here is the key. Silica is self-regenerated just by the push of a button on our silica regeneration system. We can just switch on the system a cycle of 4 hours or a manual timing that you pre-select. Start to invert the cycle, the compressor goes back, it heats the silica beans, moisture is discharged, and you're able to go again with perfect condition. This is something missing usually in a full filtration system, is the control of the silica beans that is so important for the quality of your work. You can easily check the silica status by seeing the color. Yellow is when it's normal, and blue is when it's going to saturate itself. So by checking the status here, you can switch the cycle and you can be sure about the relative humidity of your compressor and to be every day ready with the perfect condition that you require for a proper application.